Uh, so here is the formula, no, to compute for the BEQ, which is total fixed costs divided by contribution margin. The contribution margin is the markup, or it's price minus MC, marginal cost, or it could be price minus unit cost. Um, so what's the importance of BEQ? How do we use it in our analysis? First of all, the break-even quantity tells us that at this level of output or sales, the total revenue is just equal to total cost. No? Break-even point yan. No? Which means that at this break-even point, the company neither loses, neither does it gain. No? Walang profit, walang loss. Eh, ba't nasa business ka pa? Wala ka palang napala, di ba? So how do you how do you use this BEQ? The BEQ tells us that we should increase our output level in order for the firm to start earning profit. Okay, so, yeah, so that's the beauty of knowing the BEQ. And then, if we're not able to achieve the BEQ level, hindi natin kaya kasi maliit na market share natin, hindi natin na-achieve BEQ, which means that we're earning, we're losing more than we are earning. Okay, ibig sabihin, not being able to achieve the BEQ at that only less than BEQ levels, we are operating or we are running a business that gives us more costs. No? We're incurring more costs than we are earning, no, in revenues. Okay. So kasi nga, you have to achieve output levels beyond, no, the BEQ level. Okay, so that's the reality, no? That's the sad reality of business, especially with startup companies. No, it's difficult to achieve the BEQ, no, the break-even level, because of less market share or no market share at all. Kasi ang hirap, di ba? You're still establishing your reputation, no? The firm's reputation. You are still unknown. Your business still unknown. Paano ma-achieve yung BEQ, di ba? Ang hirap, di ba? Kaya may mga marketing strategies, di ba? To achieve that break-even. Okay. Here we have a business, no, business case listed from our ebook. It's about purchasing a 48-unit apartment building with 95% occupancy and generating an annual profit of 550,000. So magkanong offer? Yan ang question. How much is he going to buy it? No? Okay, so kailangan ma-achieve yung break-even. No? The break-even point, ibig sabihin yan, consider the profit or the earning. No? So maybe you should not offer, kung ako, I will not offer a price that is higher than the annual profit, considering siguro number of years, considering the cost of capital. Because of course it will take you a capital, no, in order to achieve this 550,000. So it will cost the firm 15% in equity for the investors and 80% for the loan, which is debt. So the cost of capital is equal to equity and debt. No? So there's a cost, no, for the firm to generate 550,000. So this was the formula, no, used to compute for the weighted average cost of capital, no, equity plus debt. Okay, so the decision, therefore, based on this computation of average weighted cost, no, of capital, Matthews could not pay more than 7.4 million. Okay, which is the cost of capital to raise $550,000. Okay, then it was a good decision. He did not buy the building. It's a good decision because the cost of capital increased to 10.125%. So, ibig sabihin, it's now costlier to invest, no, on this property that generates 550,000. So going through the same computation, turns out that uh, this is the cost of capital. So his purchase price should not be more than 5.4 million if he should offer once again to buy